Hi, this is Trade to Success University Module 3 Overview. Here I'm going to go briefly over what we will cover in Module 3. Okay, so here in Module 3, we're going to learn the actual trading components of our strategy that we will be employing in order to make money from the forex. Without these, our strategy won't be able to be applied, so I'm sure you'll agree that learning this module inside out is a must. The first thing we will look at is the stop loss. This will be one of the most important components in your trade plan. We are going to look at how they are used and how they protect your currency account. Then we will have a little stop loss test to see how well you have understood this concept. We will then learn about break even. As the name suggests, it is a trading component that we will put into place to prevent us from losing anything on a trade that we would have otherwise lost on. It is a component that protects your capital and allows you to walk away knowing that you will not lose money in the market after this has been put into place. We will also look at the different rules used for the placement of break-evens. Then of course we will have a break-even test to see how well you have understood this, and to drill home this concept. We will then move on to something called targets. We need to know when to use them and of course how they are used. Targets are our exit points to take profits, but they are also used to work out another trading component which we will come to next. But first we will have a test on targets to see how well you have understood this concept. Then we will move on to risk reward. Risk reward is that other component that needs most of the components that I've just gone over. Later on I will give you a calculator that works out everything for you, but you still have to understand these trading concepts, or you won't understand how to use the calculator. With risk reward, we will look at the basis behind making money in your trading, and of course, how risk reward is worked out. Obviously, we will then have a risk reward test, and then we will go into an overview of what's coming up in the following modules. So that's the overview of Module 3. The things we're covering here will have you ready for the power strategies we use here at Trade to Success University. With the knowledge gained in this module, you will be able to move on to the next level of training, where we will start getting into the actual trading strategies that you will be using day in, day out in your currency trading. This is going to be the fun part of the training, so make sure you fully understand all the trading components covered in this module to be fully prepared for what's coming up in the rest of the training. So let's get straight into it now. Go to the next page where we will start Module 3. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in the next video.